Do you truly want to be successful? Because a lot of people I speak to, right, they say, I want to make money, I want to be successful, I want to make money in my sleep, I want to have freedom. And then I ask these guys, what are you doing to get there? And a lot of them say, nothing, I'm working my 9 to 5 job. Let me explain something to you guys. If you want to be successful and you're not working towards anything, then you're doomed to fail, because you don't truly want to be successful. You don't truly want it bad enough. Because if you did, you'd be there, or you'd be working towards something, right? Now, guys, if you don't know who I am and you're new watching this, my name is Adam. I used to work a 9 to 5 job myself back in the UK. I used to work in Argos, I used to work in World Duty Free, I used to work at Sky, right? And I used to do all of these jobs, and I realized I could not be successful working these jobs. I could not make as much money as I wanted to. I didn't have freedom, and I was living in the UK, right? I wanted to move to Dubai, I wanted to live here, and I wanted to have the best life possible. And what I did was I took the biggest risk of my life. I quit my 9 to 5 job, I packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai. And now I run a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life and allowed me to live in the greatest city in the world. And now I have freedom, right? And the only reason that I was able to do this is because I wanted to truly be successful. A lot of you guys say you want to be successful. A lot of you guys say, I want to make money. A lot of you guys say, I want to do this, I want to do that. But you're doing nothing towards it. Let me explain one thing to you, right? If you don't take any action towards what it is that you want to achieve, you're not going to get there. You're literally just wishing for a better life. And you can't just wish for a better life and get it. That's not how the world works. You can't just sit there and say, I wish I had more money. I wish I was more successful. I wish I could live here. I wish I could do that. And if you're not doing anything towards it, why do you deserve it? Why should you get it? Because the truth of the matter is, the people that are successful, the people that are living in places they want to live, the people that are financially free, the people that have freedom, right? These people intentionally decided that they're going to change their lives. These people intentionally decided that they are going to be in a position where they can work hard, do something that will change their lives. And I'm one of those people as well, because I quit my 9 to 5 job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. A lot of you guys want a better life, but you don't want to do anything towards that. Nothing's going to change if you don't change, right? And this is my point. When I moved to Dubai, right, even then, I didn't really take a risk like that because I had a little bit of money, right? And what I did was invest in myself. So I hired a mentor who taught me exactly how to make money online. Because before that, I was making money online through YouTube sponsorships. I was doing that full time and the income wasn't great. And that's when I started a coaching business, right? And my mentor really helped me set this up, completely changed my life, and now I live here in Dubai. And this is one of the things that I'm talking about. A lot of you guys want to change your life. A lot of you guys want to be successful, but you don't want to do the difficult thing. You don't want to start an online business that can change your life. It's like, what do you want to do? Do you want to just sit there and wait for something to magically come to you? That's not how the world works. If you think just sitting there, taking zero action is going to change your life, well, I'm going to tell you now, you're going to regret wasting all those years that you were thinking about it, that you maybe wanted to start an online business but didn't, and just wasted time, maybe watching Netflix, playing video games. All of these things that you're doing, you're not going to be successful if you don't take the action towards it. A lot of people want to be successful without putting in the work. That's not how the world works. You can't just sit there and expect things to come to you. You got to understand, nothing is going to change unless you take action, because action is what drives you forward, right? Like I could have easily stayed in my 9 to 5 job and said, you know what, let me save some money and then I'll move to Dubai. But no, what did I do? I quit my job. I didn't have any money. I moved to Dubai. I had a little bit of online income. I put all that money towards a mentor, and I literally risked everything I had. A lot of you guys aren't even in that position where you have to risk everything you have, right? All you need to do is invest in yourself, hire a mentor, hire someone that's going to teach you exactly what it is that you need to learn so you could start making money. Now, guys, I have my own online coaching program, right? Where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month and help you start the business model called the One Skill Consulting, which basically allows you to sell your skills and knowledge to high-ticket clients. Now, if you are interested, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you, right? Now, the reason I started this coaching business and the reason I started this business model is because in my mind, I'm like, you know what? I'm able to escape the matrix. I'm able to work for myself. I've got freedom. I love this. I want to help as many people as possible, because a lot of you guys are stuck in the matrix and thinking you can't escape, thinking that you have to be special to escape, or, you know, to make money online is too good to be true. Guys, there are thousands of people making money online. There are thousands of people living the way they want to live. You tell me, is that too good to be true? Because how many people are doing it? But the poor people, the broke people, the people that are working a 9 to 5 job, slaving away their hours for money, sitting there, doing the same shit over and over again, want to say that, oh, you can't make money online, you have to be special, or it's too good to be true. Guys, to truly change your life, you've got to do different things. If you want to be like everyone else, if you want to be the average person, work a 9 to 5 job, retire at 60 something, and then live your life off a pension, by all means do that. But you're going to waste your life, right? There are people that understand how the world works, right? And they escape the matrix. They work for themselves. They make money online. And people as young as 16, like one of my clients is 16. He signed his first client within a few weeks for £2,000. Guys, in a few weeks, he signed a client for £2,000, whereas a grown-ass man will go to work 40 hours a week, say hi to his boss and come home with 2 grand. Guys, it's so easy to make money online. The only issue is that you don't know how to do it. And this is why I keep saying, hire a mentor, because a mentor is going to show you exactly how you make money online. Now, obviously, I have my own coaching program, but I'm not just pushing you guys towards my coaching program. There are so many other people, right? So many other people making money online that have a mentorship program. So if it's not with me, hire someone else, right? Hire a mentor. The point is, hire someone that can help you live the life you want. I always say to people, hire a mentor that is living the life you want so you can live the same life as them, right? Those are the people that you should hire. Those are the people that you should get help from, and they can literally help you get to their level, right? And all you've got to do is pay them some money, learn from them, and then you'll start making money. It is as simple as that, right? And obviously I have my own coaching program where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month using the One Skill Consulting business model. If that does sound of interest to you, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and I'll jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you, okay? Now, I asked you guys in this video, do you truly want to be successful? And a lot of you guys will probably say, yeah, I do. Well, what are you doing? What are you actually doing to change your situation, right? A lot of you guys say you want to change, but you're not doing anything about it. So you don't truly want to change. You're sitting there thinking you do, but you actually don't. Because how bad do you want it? I know I wanted it bad. I know I wanted to live in Dubai badly. I knew I wanted to make money online badly. I knew I wanted to change my life badly. So what did I do? I took big steps. I took big risks. And that's what's allowed me to live here in Dubai, live financially free, and have the best life possible. But a lot of you guys want that. You'll probably be watching this video sitting on your couch, sitting on your sofa, thinking, I want to do exactly what he's doing, and then go about your day. Then watch Netflix, play video games, you know, maybe go back to your 9 to 5 job, come home, and then do nothing. Absolutely nothing. Guys, your situation will not change unless you change, okay? You have to say to yourself, I'm going to make the biggest change in my life. I'm going to take that step, and I'm going to literally put myself forward, work hard as possible, hire a mentor, and completely change my life. And only then will you be able to change your life. Because at the moment, if you carry on doing what you're doing, you're going to stay in the same position. You got to understand, if you don't do anything exceptional, then your life is not going to be exceptional. If you want to live an average life, do average things. If you want to live an exceptional life, do exceptional things, right? That's the only way. And the only way you can do exceptional things is by learning from exceptional people. Only then will you take the exceptional actions, and that will give you an exceptional life. Guys, it is extremely easy to make money online nowadays, right? We have the internet. 16-year-olds are making money online. 15-year-olds are making money online. There are people much older, right? Even in their mid-50s, making money online, whilst you're sat there contemplating whether you should take action or not. Guys, I just want to make this very simple. Do you truly want to change your life, right? And if you've answered yes, what you need to do after watching this video is take action. Don't just go about your day. Think to yourself, okay, cool, I want to start an online business. I want to change my life. I don't want to work a 9 to 5 job anymore. I don't want a boss. I'm going to take action today. And one small action today, one small action tomorrow will start leading to consistent action, which will change your life, right? Now, again, if you guys are interested of starting your own online business, well, I will work with you personally on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month. Click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll jump on a call and show you exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, if you want to know about the business model that I talked about in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.